you.
This is the third day and we are at the campsite. The second day was pretty rough as the roads from Manali to Kaza were not very good, but the view was phenomenal and we could even see the transition from the green saturated mountains to these brown mountains and stuff. So anyone coming to Spiti Valley must carry a sunscreen and a hat, which I made a mistake of not carrying a hat. Bravo. So basically yesterday we passed two key passes. One was the Rohtang Pass and the second one was the Kunzumla Pass, which is like a gateway to Spiti Valley, you can say, and it is at a height of around 14,000 feet. So anyway, right now we are going to this valley called the Pin Valley, which also has a remote village called the Mud Village. So I'm very excited to visit that place and let's see how the day goes. So after the journey of like 2 to 3 hours, we finally reached the beautiful Pin Valley and the Mud Village. Hello. So I met these three really cute kids. He's saying मैं मुड में रहता हूँ. He lives in the Mud Village. Actually, this is the Mud Village. अरे बताओ आप कौन से स्कूल में जाते हो? सगलम स्कूल में जाते हो? वाओ. आपकी एज क्या है?
मैं ताबू में जाता हूँ.
कितने साल के हो?
रोल नंबर.
Years. Years. 9 years. Bye.
Bye.
So we had our lunch at the Tara Cafe, from where we could enjoy the beautiful view, and then at our campsite we had a bonfire and a live music session which made our day even more awesome. So guys, today's plan is to go to Langza, where we will see that big Buddha statue. Then we have plans on visiting the world's highest village. Then we also have a place called Hikkim, which has the world's highest post office, if I'm not wrong. Probably we'll be sending some postcards. So let's see how the day goes. So yes, we are done visiting Lanza. The view was epic there. The statue was crazy awesome. I couldn't vlog there because we were there for not more than half an hour. So yes, we have reached the world's highest village. This is so cool. So this village has the world's highest restaurant. So that's really pretty awesome. So this is a local tea from the highest village in the world. It's good. It's different, but it's good. We are at this place where we have to walk down and we'll find the world's highest post office. That's an achievement. If you want to post something there, if you are in this location, you have to buy postcards from that cafe and some stamps, and then you have to post it there. So yes, I have these 4 postcards that I'm posting. I don't know if they will reach. Let's see कितना time लगता है, कब पहुंचता है. Then we reached the Asia's highest bridge called Chicham Bridge, which was at the height of 13,596 feet, and from there we started our journey to the Chandratal Lake. Guys, we are covering the Chandratal Lake. We are taking a full round of the lake. It's around 3 to 4 kilometers, and at this height it's not very easy to trek basically. We'll be taking the drone shots when we reach halfway. Yeah, it's very windy here, so I don't know if the drone will be able to keep up with the wind, but let's see how that goes. By the way, hi. So yeah guys, we have Neelam Jaiswal from Mumbai. So she's helping me with carrying the equipment, and she wanted to cover the whole circumference. So I said, yeah, I'll give you company. Yeah, that's a win-win situation right there. Look at this. We have reached this part and there is no one here. Wow, that's the best part of exploring on foot. Whenever you are traveling, don't go with the group. Explore on foot and you'll have fun. Wow.
So amazing.
Look at the view, guys. So yes, we are done with our drone shots. Basically, it's too windy here, so our hair is fucked up. And now we have started the second half of the journey. It's too chilly, like my hands are frozen. I don't know how I'm holding the camera. So if we walk fast, we'll feel less chilly, right?
Yes.
So we'll be walking fast. So guys, I was feeling very cold. It was very chilly and I forgot a cap. Bravo. So thanks to you for having an extra scarf and wrapping it around my head क्योंकि मुझे वो भी नहीं आता था. I am so dumb in this stuff. So thanks for that. I feel a lot better and we have a lot to cover. So let's switch on the camera again. This look with the scarf suits me or it doesn't. Tell me in the comments down below. Guys, that's the moon. So cool. That's the moon. You can see? Yeah. So we have finally completed the whole round of the Chandratal Lake. It was an amazing experience. Yesterday we reached Chandratal Lake. We had an amazing time there, and this was the campsite near Chandratal Lake, and this was our tent basically. Okay guys, so we are leaving for Manali right now. This was the last day of our trip to Spiti Valley. After such a long trip, we were so exhausted that I couldn't record an intro, but I had a backup option.
like,
Share,
share,
subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.